trailer-mounted skid pump is the fastest and most reliable way to inject retention into drip systems. Park the trailer pump on a level surface as close to the filter station as possible. Locate where a minimum 1-inch inlet and outlet valve can be mounted. Be sure to use 1-inch male cam locks. The inlet hose should always be connected to the valve upstream, and the outlet hose should always be connected to the valve downstream. The inlet valve is circled in blue, and the downstream valve is circled in red. Connecting them this way prevents product from being recirculated through the pump. The inlet hose connects on the right side of the pump. This is circled in blue. The outlet hose connects to the cam lock circled in red on the left side of the pump. A close-up of the inlet cam lock. Notice that it is a stainless steel female cam lock. This is where clean water goes into the pump. A 1-inch clear suction hose should be used as the inlet hose. The outlet side of the pump has a stainless steel male cam lock. This is where water mixed with polymer exits the pump. A 20-foot, 1-inch clear braided hose should be used for the outlet hose. Now that all hoses have been connected to the pump, it is time to go through the startup procedure. Begin by opening the valves located coming out of the filter station. Once those are opened, go and ensure that the valve located on the inlet side is open. Double check that all fittings are secured. Before starting the generator, make sure that you add plenty of gasoline, as it may take several hours to run several barrels of retention. Go ahead and start the generator. Once you have the generator running, go around to the front of the pump and kick on the main breaker. The pump on-off switch is on when the red line is vertical. Newer models of the pump have an override switch located on the right side of the box. This switch allows the user to turn on the pump when flow is not present. On the older models, you will have to open a dump valve to get the pump to start. The valve is the one with the blue handle located to the left of the check valve. Once the pump is running, you may go to the smaller gray box located on the right and adjust the volume up or down depending on the amount of retention you want. Use the two buttons on the left to adjust retention speed up and down. No other buttons are needed. For smaller size systems, use a lower setting on the box, approximately 6, 7, 8, or 9.0, if it's in the range of 500 to 700 gallons per minute. Once the systems get larger, you will need to increase the rate. See the retention application guide, and it will tell you approximately how fast to set it. When you get around 2,000 to 2,500 gallons per minute, you will need a setting of 22.0 to 25.0. Application is finished. Go ahead and speed it down to 0.0. Turn off the main breaker on the pump. Once flow has stopped, you can go ahead and turn off your generator. Now that you have turned off your generator, the next step will be to close all the valves that are on your hoses and disconnect your hoses. Drain the hoses and put them in the back of your truck for transport. Any questions concerning the process, please call Chris Quello at 559-309-4301.